I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to share your live location information with someone using the Facebook Messenger app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Step 1. Open the Facebook Messenger conversation with the person you want to share your live location with, and then tap the plus sign in the menu near where you can enter a message. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap Location in this menu. A window may open telling you that you'll need to allow Facebook Messenger to use your location. If you see this, follow the provided instructions for your device, which will be different on Android and iOS, and then go through these instructions again to get to this point. You'll land on the location screen. Step 3. Tap Start Sharing Live Location. You'll see your exact location that's being shared with the person in this chat on the screen. As a safety precaution, you can't set how long your live location is shared through Facebook Messenger for, and it will only be shared with this person for 60 minutes. If you want to share your live location with someone for longer than 1 hour, you'll need to go through the steps to share your information with them again. And if you want to stop sharing your live location with someone else at any time, all you need to do is tap View Location in the live location message in this chat, and then tap Stop Sharing Location. Your live location will stop being shared with the people in this chat immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.